This is going to be a product review on a MaxLiner Smart Liner USA.com. They're just the front floor mats. They're going in a 2021 Ram Promaster City. I normally buy Husky liners, but I could not find a Husky liner to fit this model. They went to huskyliners.com. They don't list the Promaster City. I'm guessing probably one of the Rams or something like that probably do fit it, but since I've been buying Husky liners for years anyhow, I figured I'd go ahead and give something else a try and see how well they fit. Alright, they are packaged well, and one of the first things I always want to know is, do they smell? And they do not smell. Some of the stuff that comes from China, cheaper manufacturers, tend to smell like rubber or some sort of chemical. These don't seem to have any smell at all to them, which is a good thing. Alright, so they're almost plastic, so it's probably a rubber PVC mixed material. So it's not really super soft, but I think once they get in there, once I get some heat on them, they'll probably form pretty well. Alright, as you can see, it fits in there perfect. Fits all the way up high enough so if you got muddy boots on or something, or if your passenger does, they're not going to get it everywhere. It's hard enough plastic to not worry about scratching or tearing it all up. And it fits all the way back up to the seat. And the driver's side, same thing. This Promaster's got this little kick out here. I was kind of worried about it not having enough play in it to cover that, but it actually is molded pretty good around that. Goes up underneath the gas and brake pedals, and again fits right up against the seat. Nice deep pan, so if your feet are wet, got some mud on your boots or something, shouldn't have any problems with it. So overall first impressions look like they're going to work good. If I find anything wrong with them next week or two, I'll cut back on, do another review. But as far as fitment, they cost about half as much as the Husky liners, and they do the same job for a work vehicle. Maybe my new brand.